Hello and welcome to Abenteuer und Allrad 2021. I have in front of me a very nice Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 Behl Mobil. You're looking around 85,000 euros for this one, and 7-meter vehicle. And let's have a look inside. Now, a Sprinter is particularly difficult to do a van conversion with because of the external shape of the vehicle, but what we've got here is, I think, particularly well done. So coming right to the back, as one would, there is, first of all, have a look at this storage which is here, and of course all the way around. This is a lengthwise bed with steps leading up to it, and of course this would lift up if I had the energy to take the mattresses off. In here we have got a wardrobe and a relatively large fridge for such a vehicle, and storage all the way down, including one of these. I like this sort of thing. I like that. That really is original for a did I say the price? It's about 85,000. And let's have a look in the toilet, which fortunately does open the way I like it to open. And in here, I've got to say, this is a remarkably nice wet room for this vehicle. That is very much a strong point. Now, one thing you see there, it's got Alde heating. It's also got heating in the underfloor as well. So that is quite an unusual feature in a vehicle like this. It also comes with an oven here. The kitchen, it looks good. One of the problems, of course, with it, you lose your workspace, if you like, when you can't actually cover this, but it does look very cool, very modern. This type of thing by this company which is to a certain extent, don't know if the word revolutionized campervans is quite revolution. It's changed the way we look at campervan kitchens. I think that's probably a better way of saying it. And the sink is reasonable for a vehicle. Another feature it's got the ability to forgotten the word now, to make dim, that's the word, dim the lights in the vehicle, so you can have it bright or not bright as you want. So let's now sort of walk out slowly. Television, and up there that. Now I'll show you some of have a quick look at this. So there you have 85,000, and it comes with all of this stuff, and empty weight 3,655, and so if that's on a 4.1 ton basis, that gives you over 400 kilos of payload. Let's go to the back now and see here. So you go 419 CDI 4x4, and that gives you an idea of how much storage you can get in here. But so from the storage point of view, it is really quite impressive. And view up there, and here we've got these other vehicles as well. I'll point this one out here. Is another Mercedes Sprinter. But you know, if you're on the shorter vehicles, you can extend the rear by putting on this type of a lug device at the back. Anyway, we'll have a look at that in a separate video. I know there's a bit of wind, not much I can actually do about it. So people here, you see they're setting up stands. This is the largest off-road fair in the world, I believe. Though I noticed they were now saying it's the largest off-road fair in Germany. Anyway, so there we have it. Behl Mobil. It's a small company. They do only a few mainly made to order vehicles, but this is a very good example. I think at the price that this is coming at also, that's comparatively to others 4x4 sprinters, then that is quite reasonable. If you've got any questions relating to the 4x4, then you have to direct that to the company and not to me, because I won't know the answer except by asking them directly. So, oh, I forgot to mention, on the roof it's also got the sat television equipment as well, but that would have been on the equipment list which I showed. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and all the best from Germany.